Recessed shower niches transform cluttered shower ledges into streamlined storage that frees space in small homes. For small homes, plan the niche layout before framing so you can recess into wall cavities without compromising structural studs. Measure the tallest bottles and reserve at least 9 inches of vertical clearance per shelf when possible, or use staggered shelf heights to accommodate pumps and bars of soap. Use cement backerboard and waterproofing membrane applied with sealed seams to prevent leaks behind the niche. Apply thinset and tile through the niche for a continuous, tiled look that resists mold. For corner niches, consider cutting into the stud cavity at the intersection and using a triangular recessed shelf to maximize dead space while keeping the shower footprint intact. If you want hooks or soap dishes, integrate them directly into the niche design by adding small ledges or installing wall-mounted pockets before tiling so they are anchored to blocking, not just adhesive. For safety and ambience, consider waterproof light strips rated for wet locations recessed at the top of the niche to improve visibility without exposing wiring to spray. Common issues start with insufficient waterproofing, which leads to mold and rot. Remedy that by installing a continuous waterproof membrane that wraps the niche floor, sides, and flange, and by testing with a small water hold before finishing. Another frequent mistake is cutting into a load-bearing stud or utilities. Always confirm stud layout and plumbing or electrical behind the wall with a stud detector, and, when uncertain, open a small inspection hole or consult a professional before enlarging cavities. A third problem is shelves that are too shallow, so bottles tip or fall. Solve this by designing a minimum depth of 2 to 3 inches deeper than the widest bottle and by using recessed ledges or lip tiles to retain items. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and project peers focused on home improvements like recessed shower niches. We use our discussion community so homeowners can ask questions, share photos, and learn practical tips while contractors find jobs and show their work.